Alright, so tonight we are in the Shoshone National Forest at Louis Lake Campground in the Shoshone National Forest. It is outside of Lander, Wyoming. That would be the nearest town. Lovely small National Forest campground. Louis Lake is right there. We did some paddle boarding today, a little swimming, and the sun is coming out. It's beautiful. Down here is our campsite, so very private, right on the lake, access, tons of little trails to the lake. Dan's making some rum cocktails. Dinner will be a chicken and veggie stir fry. And while we're here, we'll take in a little tour of the campground. Just several sites, I think maybe 8 or 9. First come, first serve. But it's beautiful. Lots of rocks for the kids to play on. Tomorrow I think we're gonna look at some local hikes around here. Alright, tonight we're doing a chicken veggie stir fry.
So what's supper?
This is supper, Roman. So I've got marinated chicken breast and like some Asian sauce kind of thing. The ready rice, basmati ready rice, it's super easy, that I'm a big fan of. And then I did find these like ginger garlic veggie and sauce stir fry kits. And we're just gonna put this all together and have a somewhat, I think, healthy dinner tonight in Shoshone National Forest.